Back to my channel, and today we're going to talk about dictionary in Python. So dictionary is a data structure in Python, and it is a collection of data, and they are mutable, unordered, and indexed. Dictionary in Python is written with a curly bracket, and they has key value pair. So why do we choose to use dictionary over a list? Because they are quick, easy to use, and flexible. And because dictionary is implemented using hash table inside Python, so they have the best case for searching a query with constant time, which is O of 1. So how to use it? First, we have to declaring and initialize an empty dictionary. So here's how you gonna do it. So let's say dict equal to two curly bracket, and there you have it, an empty dictionary. You can check it out by printing it out. Say dict, okay, and print. So you see it's only two empty curly bracket here. That because we have no value inside that dictionary yet. So how do we add value into the dictionary? If you want to add a value inside a dictionary, you have to have the key and the value. So let's say that you want to add someone name, for example. So you have to say that, okay, you want to add the name, so the key should be name, and then the name, let's say Jason. Okay, so now inside the dictionary it will have the key value pair as follow: name colon Jason. And here's what we got after we print that out: name colon Jason. So the key always comes first, and then the value corresponding to that key. So let's add a few more. Say age. That makes Jason 19. And school? No, gender. Male. Okay. So now if I'm going to print dictionary out, I should got 3 value inside with the key is name, age, and gender, and these should be the corresponding value. Yes. So we have name Jason, age 19, and gender is male. Okay. So if we are able to add value inside a dictionary, we should be able to delete a value inside my dictionary too. So the way you're gonna do it is just say dict, which is our dictionary, and then pop, and then just enter the key value which you wanna delete. So let's say age. So after we delete this pair of value, it should only have name and then gender. So now we have only name Jason and gender is male. Okay. So one of the example why we should use a dictionary is, let's say you want to have a list of person, and in your list you have to contain the name of that person, the age of that person, and then also the gender. But you don't want to create an object, so dictionary would be perfect for you. So here's how we gonna do it. So let's first create a list. Let's say list or person list, and it's empty. So let's say that you have a dictionary equal to first one, the name, colon, say my name, and then the age, colon again, and then comma, and gender. And remember, the colon should be separate from the key. So let's say gender male. Okay, so now we have a dictionary with 3 values inside. So let's just append that to the person list. Append. There. So now if we print that person list, we should receive that dictionary. And you see that, so outside is the square bracket, which indicate the list, and inside that square bracket we have the curly bracket, which is the dictionary we just add. So if we add more, so another one is JSON widget map 19, and then leave it male, and then person pen, take again. Now we should have 2 person inside of that list. See, so curly bracket, closing curly bracket, comma, and then another pair of value inside. So it's really helpful if you don't want to create a person object but still want to deal with this sort of problem. And the way you want to query a dictionary is kind of simple. Just use for, let's say, person in that list, we get person list. You can print person, which is now person will be each dictionary inside our list. Okay, and you can easily get the name of them, see, or any key that a person has. Okay, so that's it for dictionary in Python. I also included a link of all the methods that dictionary in Python has in the description, so please check it out, and thank you for watching.